Okay, so let's do an experiment and see how much power this Kmart sandwich maker, this little new mini one, will use on this EcoFlow. It's a River 2 Pro, I think. I'll have to double check on that. And this is so cute. Like, you push the button on the side here, down in there. You can open it up and use it as a grill. So I'm pretty excited about that as a little addition to my camping stuff. But we will see how much power it will take to make me a toasted sandwich. Turn that on. 98%. Turn these on. Did those go on? So, 98%. I'm going to have to long press that maybe. There we go. And it is heating up, so that's good. Success on the first bit. So let's just see a close up of that. Says that I can run it for an hour if I were to leave this going. So that's interesting. Yep. Okay. Ooh. Nice. So just a cheese and ham. Just a classic. Ooh, that's lots of cheese. Also, this is gluten-free bread, so it might take a little longer perhaps than usual. I'm not sure. So we'll just a little experiment. Oh, push it in further. Okay. So that changes. There's nothing really to like hold pressure on it. So I suppose depending on how hot this got, you could put a can or something on there if you wanted to add a bit of pressure. But we'll see how it goes. Oh, this is looking good, you guys. Yum. Oh, I think this might nearly be done. Yeah. Is the cheese melted? Yes. Crisp. Could possibly do with a little bit more, but I think it's okay. Everything's melted and crispy. Okay, so 92. Let's unplug that and turn this off so that it stops using the inverters and see what it says. So, yeah, uses a bit, doesn't it? That's 6% to make one toasted sandwich. So, yeah, do it, but obviously, you know, you don't want to be cooking the whole family one. So I think that'd be perfect for my little solo trips, especially when it's really windy, because then you know, it takes forever when you're cooking outside. It's really windy. It takes forever for the gas to heat up anything and cook anything. So that is going to be great. I think. Woohoo! Be able to use it out in the field. I'm so excited. Yum, yum, yum.